Hi, so here is connect to Amazon customer service for .com USA website. Very fast, new and updated method. So you watch this till the end. Okay, live I am showing. So first you visit this page called help. You can see this is US website and in English I am showing. Okay, so what you can do, once you will tap on this page, okay, I will add this link in the description, you can check it out. So then you select any option over here. Okay, so for example payment methods. Okay, so this is I'm showing on PC how you can connect. If you want to watch on mobile, how you can connect, I recommend you watch this video over here. Okay, this one I have shown you live how you can connect it on app, okay, using mobile app. So now let's continue this option. We will select one option. The complete new window has opened. So now you can start a new chat. So this is a new chat over here. So I am showing this live so that you can understand. I highly recommend you like this video, subscribe our channel, it will motivate us. Okay. So this is so I don't know. I don't know. I'm not asking about an icon. So I need more. Customer service won't start over. Chat we can associate now. So if you want to chat, you can associate. You select from this option, or else you will select. If you need all that, you select this option. Separate one. So chat you can associate now. So within seconds, you will be connected to customer service team instead of connecting you to an message. Now we are connected. Video actually. We have published on customer service, e-commerce, the device control, invoicing, billing, Canva, YouTube tips. So you subscribe this channel, okay, and the link will be there in the. So you can see we got the response, but then in the chat. Yes, we do that. So all the best. Any questions, please comment me.